In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your primary market in Shopify. To get started, log in to your Shopify admin. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you will find the main settings and tools for managing your store. From there, click on Markets. The Markets section is where Shopify lets you manage the countries and regions you sell to, including your store's primary market. After the Markets page opens, find your current primary market and click on it. This will take you into the details for that market, where you can review and adjust its settings. If you are not sure which market is currently set as primary, Shopify will usually label it clearly, so take a moment to confirm that you are in the right place before moving on. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click More Actions, shown as the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options related to the market you are viewing. From the drop-down, select Make Primary Market. This tells Shopify that you want to update which market is used as the main one for your store. After that, click Edit next to the country name. This is the part where you choose the country or region that will become your new primary market. When the list appears, select the new country or region you want to use. Be sure to choose carefully, since your primary market can affect how your store is presented, including certain default regional settings and customer experience elements. Once you have selected the new country or region, click Save. This applies the change and updates your Shopify store with the new primary market setting. If you want to be extra careful, it is a good idea to stay on the page for a moment after saving and confirm that the update appears correctly. That way you can make sure your new primary market is now listed the way you intended. That is the full process. Log in to Shopify admin, go to Markets, open your current primary market, use More Actions to choose Make Primary Market, edit the country or region, and save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.